Hello guys, this is your boy Claudia, as you already know, from New Life Dance Studio. First of all, I want to say thank you for everything you've done for us, and you are the real MVP. The reason why I said you are the real MVP because you support what we are doing, you understand our movement, you understand the vision, you understand the goal. Right now it's very chilling outside. It was raining, but I love it because Florida is very, very hot. But there's one thing I want to share with you today. Remember, life is short, you know what I'm saying? Love as much as we can. Show love as much as we can to your people, to your friends, your family. We see today, we don't know about tomorrow. We can see people right now, few minutes later, they're gone. The truth is, love is priceless. There's no price for it. But guess what? That's the free thing we can give to our people. We can show love for free because we have to show love. We have to show compassion. We have to be there for them. So just to continue, New Life Dance Studio is a movement, is a studio, but not only we teach, but also we empower people. We want to help people, but we can help people without you because you're supporting us. You are here with us, and then you are part of the movement because you're a member of the movement. And I want to say thank you for those 19,500 subscribers on YouTube and over 30,000 followers. The reason why you have to share our videos, the reason why you have to invite your friend to watch our videos, not only we showcase the Haitian culture, the Haitian music, the Haitian dance, but also we have vision, we have goals to accomplish. We have so many things in our bucket list to accomplish. Like example, we're gonna create a disability center for people who's disabled, people who have a, something such as has a disability, for everybody. And second, our plan is to create a big hospital for our community in Haiti. Well, it's all about Haiti because we are promoting the Haitian culture, the Haitian music. So it's not just about entertainment, you know what I'm saying? It's all about innovation, it's all about creativity, it's all about do things, so create legacy for our people. So you guys know Haiti, the situation of our country. We know how our people live over there. So we want to make sure that we help people as much as we can. We want to make sure that we support them as much as we can. But like I said again, without your support, without you, I can do it by myself. Like I said, the best way to show the beauty of Haiti is by sharing our videos, is by letting your friends know about us. It's inviting your friends to share and at the same time to subscribe to our YouTube channel, also to follow our page. Now, what you have to do, you see this name right here on the bottom? It says Claudia Kompa Dance Instructor. So just type it on YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also go on Instagram, type the same name, Claudia Kompa Dance Instructor. Follow our page because we want more people to see the beauty of what we're doing. It's not just about Kompa, the way Kompa dance. It's all about exposing the music. It's all about exposing the art of the music, which is Haitian music, Haitian culture. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much guys for everything. I love you from the bottom of my heart. It will be always a pleasure for me to be right in front of you. You know what I'm saying? To talk to you. Thank you so much. I love you. I see you soon in front of you. Don't forget, subscribe. It's all about love, peace, joy, and happiness. Thank you. Subscribe.